In this video, let's see why you need to install wheel spacers with Hub Sentry. Let's go. The main function of wheel spacers is to service the extension surface of the X rotor, so as to extend the whole tire, provide more back spacing and correct the wheel offset, and also adjust the overall appearance of the vehicle. The purpose of Hub Sentry wheel spacers is to tightly and firmly combine the wheel hub and X hub, keeping the original wheel loading structure. We recommend the use of Hub Sentry spacers or Hub Sentry rings. Installing the Hub Sentry wheel spacers can provide the higher stability. Bonus wheel spacers has a multi-stage Hub Sentry design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheel, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage Hub Sentry design of Bonus makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the Bonus wheel spacer can also be wheel adapter with different data, providing vehicle owner with more choice. If you want to get the bonus Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.